How's it going, everybody? RB here, and today we will be using Filmora 13 to create a custom introduction to your Valentine's Day photo journal, a great little gift that you can give to a loved one. Alright, let's see how we do it.
Alright guys, welcome to my Filmora introduction of a photo journal video. So this is a Valentine's Day theme one. Filmora have quite a few available as templates, so let's have a look at one now. Wonderful. Now, Filmora have lots of different ones available that you can actually just insert your own pictures into it, just to make it unique. But today, I'm going to be making my own. So, first thing we need to do is to create a title. So as you can see, lots of different ones available in our Valentine's Day selection. So I think this little simple one here is really quite elegant and nice. So I'm going to leave the names as it is and just use a bunch of stock photos just to showcase this kind of introduction. So let's try to get a photo. So I'm going to go down to stock media and type in school, because I'm going to do a little bit of from I first met you all the way through our lives kind of theme. So as you can see, just a bunch of young people sitting on the steps there. Okay, Valentine's Day transitions. And you can see lots of cool ones. I'm going to go with this heart kind of curtain one. That looks nice. Let's have a look at it. Excellent. Perfect. Okay, the next thing we need to do is titles. So again, a Valentine's Day section on the Filmora titles page there. I'm going to go with this romantic pack here. So put that in. And then let's just start altering our text from high school sweethearts. Now, I don't really like the white color there, so I'm just going to change that to black because I think it matches the picture a little bit better. Let's make sure it's in line just down the bottom there. Very good. Okay. Excellent. That looks great now. All right. Now, I think it needs some stickers. So stickers are cool little animated little kind of pictures that you can add and elements that you can add into your videos. I think I'm going to go with this little paper plane. So I'll spend a little bit of time just altering it, so moving its position around the clip and altering its size. Okay, preset motion. So down to the legacy section, I'm going to move this to the upper right hand corner to give it the illusion of flight. Now I'm just going to change the size just a little bit more on here. There we go. Very good. Now I've got another little element there that I put in later. I'm just going to adjust the colors using our color curves just to give it a bit more red. It looks quite nice there. Nice. That's looking pretty good so far. Okay, now I'm going to merge these together and create a compound clip so they're all sort of in line together. There you go. And final thing is selecting a song to go with my amazing clip. Now I'm going to go ahead and just make a few other little things for our photo journal, but let's have a look at it.
And there you have it, guys. A custom-made introduction for your Valentine's Day photo journal. I'm wishing you all the best for your Valentine's Day, and may you spend it with someone you love. Alright guys, that's it from me. I'll catch you next time.